Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jude Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another video of Gabriel Henrique featuring Enzo Ferro, and they're doing a song entitled Ordinary. So I really don't have any idea guys of who is Enzo Ferro. So if you know him, just comment down below so that I will know. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one because it's been a while also since the last time I reacted to Gabriel Henrique. So let's check this video of them. Oh, wow. He's really young also. Wow. The voice is so deep. I really like the low register of his voice. Sounds so good. Ooh. The duets, the blending of their voices sounds so good. I really like how they complement their voices to each other. Is this a cover song, guys? Because I'm not really familiar with this song, Ordinary. Is this a praising song? Wow, Gabriel Henrique's voice so good. Wow guys, I'm really surprised because I didn't expect it that their voices blend so well. This sounds so good. I really like their duets part. So it's really nice. Wow. And I really like their background also. It's like I think this one is sunset or sunrise. So it's really nice. Their voices sound so good. The voices of this guy, Enzo Ferro, it's really nice also. It's so deep. I really like the low register of his voice. It sounds so good. And wow, Gabriel Henrique, when he reached the high notes, it sounds so clean. The voice of Gabriel Henrique, it's really amazing. Wow, he's really good. Ooh. Their voices blending so well. Ooh. Enzi's voice is really low, then Gabriel Henrique's voice is so high, or the pitch is really high. So good. Woo! Nice. This sounds so good. I really like it. Wow, Gabriel Henrique's voice so good. So there you go guys, my reaction to the video of Gabriel Henrique featuring Enzo Ferro. So they're doing a song entitled Ordinary. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.
In the